GB box is a hexagonal mesh structure woven by machine from low-carbon steel wire or PVC-coated steel wire. This type of mesh has excellent properties such as corrosion resistance, high strength, wear resistance, and extensibility, and is flexible in assembly and processing. Stone kit nets are often made into net cages or protective heads, used in various engineering fields. The surface treatment of GB mesh includes hot-dip galvanizing, PVC coating, and galvanized aluminum alloy. GB box is a cost-effective, rugged and easy-to-install solution for a range of applications such as commercial and home landscaping, retaining walls and coastal defense. The GB mesh is made of high corrosion resistance, high strength, ductile low-carbon steel wire or PVC-coated steel wire using machinery, and the box structure made of this mesh is the GB box. We are happy to provide a customized GB box quote upon request.